Looking for tools that boost productivity and make every job easier? In this video, we're showcasing 15 RIDGID tools you'll love in 2025. Perfect for professionals, contractors, and serious DIYers. From powerful cordless drills to precision plumbing tools and job site must-haves, these are the best RIDGID tools designed to save you time and effort on every project. Whether you're working on construction, renovation, or home improvement, these high-performance tools offer durability, efficiency, and smart features that make all the difference. Without further ado, let's dive in. The RIDGID C Snake Mini Pro Inspection Camera is a powerful tool designed to tackle even the toughest plumbing and drainage challenges. With 25mm and 18mm camera sizes, it navigates effortlessly through tight spaces like 1.5-inch pipes, places where other cameras can't reach. Equipped with TrueSense technology, it offers digital self-leveling for a consistently upright image, while the high dynamic range enhances color, clarity, and detail for superior visibility. The Tilt Sense inclinometer measures camera tilt for more accurate assessments. Plus, digital pan and zoom let you zero in on trouble spots, making it a reliable, versatile solution for any inspection. Precision and efficiency are crucial in tile installation, and the RIDGID wet tile saw is built to meet those standards. This powerful tool can cut tiles up to 24 inches and offers full support for a variety of tile sizes. Its aluminum table construction and exclusive drop gate design enable unlimited rip-cut performance, making it perfect for plank tiles. The optimized water management and filtration system reduces water spray, protecting the pump for long-lasting use. With an overhead blade design for plunge cutting, 3 bevel positions, and a foldable portable design, this wet tile saw ensures clean, precise cuts and is convenient to transport. Effective cleanup tools are crucial for managing all kinds of messes, and the RIDGID NXT wet and dry vacuum delivers exceptional performance in any environment. Lightweight and portable, this vacuum boasts impressive suction power to handle nails, wood chips, and tough debris. Its compact toolbox design makes it easy to store and stack, fitting perfectly into small spaces. The vacuum's easy-access hose storage, enclosed accessory compartment, and blower port provide versatility for different tasks. The RIDGID Sweep feature directs debris straight into the built-in dustpan, while the included filter captures fine dust for a cleaner workspace. Available at the Home Depot, this vacuum is your go-to for top-tier cleaning. Effective detection of underground utilities is crucial for safe excavation and construction projects, and the RIDGID SeekTech SR 24-line locator is the perfect tool for the job. As the most advanced locator in the industry, it offers fast, user-friendly operation for locating concealed utilities above ground, underground, and along sidewalls. Its large, all-weather LCD clearly displays the position, direction, and depth of utilities, even at depths of 30 feet. The omnidirectional antennas capture a wide frequency range from 10 Hz to 35,000 Hz, ensuring maximum accuracy. An audible alert enhances precision during positioning. Additionally, the line locator transmits real-time data via Bluetooth to any mobile device using the RIDGID Tracks app, making it an indispensable tool for professionals who need reliable and efficient results. For professionals in plumbing and pipe fabrication, reliable support equipment is essential to maintain productivity and precision. The RIDGID portable Tristand Vises are the perfect solution, engineered for strength, durability, and portability to withstand tough job site conditions. Each vise features integral folding legs for easy transport and quick setup, along with tool hangers and a base that overhangs the front legs for a clear tool swing. The Tristand Vises can handle pipes up to 6 inches with a rugged leg chain for extra stability, an optimized base layout for ample workspace, a convenient lug for clamping the weld ground, and a durable tool tray. For larger jobs, the Tristand Vises supports pipes up to 12 inches and includes an adjustable rear leg for enhanced versatility. These vices are indispensable for any professional's toolkit, delivering unmatched reliability and performance. For automotive professionals, having the right tools for fastening and removal is crucial for efficiency and effectiveness on the job. The RIDGID Brushless Ratchetline is designed to meet your toughest professional demands. With a slim, ergonomic design and advanced brushless motor technology, these ratchets deliver powerful performance with superior fastening and removal speeds for any automotive application. Available in 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/4 inch sizes, these tools offer the perfect fit for any task. Their compact and lightweight design ensures effortless maneuverability, even in tight spaces. Best of all, they come with the industry's best lifetime service agreement, guaranteeing your investment is protected. For precision cutting in woodworking and construction, the RIDGID Dual Bevel Miter Saw is your go-to tool for accurate angles and clean finishes. Designed for versatility and ease of use, this 12-inch long-reach miter saw handles a wide range of cutting tasks straight out of the box. It comes complete with a T30 Torx blade wrench, work clamp, dust bag, and a 2.5-inch dust port adapter for cleaner job sites. The installed blade means you can start cutting immediately, while the dust port adapter connects to standard vacuum systems for a tidy workspace. Make precise bevel and compound cuts effortlessly with the RIDGID Dual Bevel Miter Saw. Explore the full RIDGID lineup for more reliable tools to meet your needs. For woodworking enthusiasts and professionals, achieving consistent lumber thickness is key to quality and structural strength. The RIDGID Thickness Planer is a powerful 13-inch portable planer designed for precision and ease of use. Included in the box are essential accessories like the dust collection attachment, cutter height adjustment handle, cutter headlock handle, and T-handle Torx wrench for simple assembly. This planer offers smooth, user-friendly cutter height adjustments for accurate material removal. Its integrated dust collection system efficiently captures shavings, keeping your workspace clean. Combining robust performance with portability, the RIDGID Thickness Planer is perfect for both shop and job site, ensuring uniform, professional results every time. For woodworking projects requiring precise shaping and smooth finishing, the RIDGID Oscillating Spindle Sander is an essential tool. Designed for both edge sanding and spindle sanding, it offers versatility to handle diverse tasks. The package includes all necessary components for easy assembly. Its oscillating action reduces burnishing, preventing overheating and delivering a superior finish. The Oscillating Spindle Sander comes with multiple spindle sizes, providing flexibility for various sanding needs. Switching between sanding belt and spindle modes is quick and effortless. Perfect for achieving smooth, contoured surfaces, this sander is a must-have for any woodworking workshop. For professionals needing precise, efficient cuts on-site, the RIDGID Power Tubing Cutter is an excellent solution. This robust machine handles copper, aluminum, plastic, carbon steel, and stainless steel tubing with ease. Weighing just 32 pounds, it's highly portable for convenient transport and storage. Its quick-acting engagement speeds up pipe alignment, saving valuable labor time. The ergonomic handle offers easy control, while the integrated foot switch provides reliable start and stop operation. With a cutting capacity of up to 116 millimeters outer diameter, it delivers smooth, burr-free cuts. Durable alloy, steel cutter wheels, and an optional reamer enhance performance, making the Power Tubing Cutter perfect for commercial, residential, and industrial jobs. For construction and woodworking projects requiring precise nailing, the RIDGID Brushless Brad Nailer delivers exceptional performance and reliability. Powered by a brushless motor, it can drive up to 3,500 miles per charge, ensuring maximum efficiency. Featuring clean drive technology, it offers 17 times more consecutive perfect drives for consistent high-quality results. Weighing half a pound less than its predecessor, this compact and lightweight nailer provides excellent comfort and maneuverability. Perfect for detailed trim work and hardwood penetration. Battery-powered for cordless convenience, The RIDGID brad nailer helps you work confidently and efficiently without compressors or hoses. For agricultural and automotive professionals, the RIDGID grease gun offers powerful, efficient lubrication for large equipment maintenance. Operating 5 times faster than traditional manual guns, it saves valuable time on the job. With a maximum pressure of 10,000 psi and a 2-speed gearbox, users can easily switch between high flow and maximum pressure for versatile applications. The preset dosage counter dial ensures precise grease delivery, preventing waste and over-greasing. Additional features include an onboard LED light for dark spaces, a lock-on/off switch, a marked plunger rod for grease level monitoring, a 39-inch hose with a right-angle coupler, plus a shoulder strap and a long-lasting 4 ampere-hour battery for portability and extended use. Accurate measurements are critical in construction, renovation, and interior design. And the RIDGID Micro Laser Distance Meter delivers precision and versatility. With a measuring range up to 70 meters and a high-resolution backlit 4-line display, it ensures clear readings even in dim environments. Its built-in inclination sensor measures slopes up to 65 degrees, ideal for various tasks. The device supports indirect measurement, area and volume calculations, staking out, and setting equal or unequal distances. Bluetooth connectivity enables seamless transfer of measurements to smartphones or tablets for easy collaboration. Additional features include continuous measurement, memory storage, a self-triggering timer, a spirit level, and tripod support, making it an essential tool for professionals. The RIDGID K6P Toilet Auger is a specialized tool designed to clear stubborn toilet clogs efficiently. Featuring 6 feet of heavy-duty tri-wrap cable, it reaches blockages deep within and beyond the toilet trap. Its zinc-plated steel tubing resists rust and corrosion for long-lasting durability. Users can operate it manually or connected to a battery-powered drill for faster clearing. The vinyl cable cover protects porcelain surfaces from damage during use. With 3 feet dedicated to toilet clearing and 3 feet for deeper blockages, the toilet auger is ideal for plumbers and homeowners seeking a reliable, professional-grade solution for toilet maintenance. In plumbing and pipe fitting, a reliable press tool is essential for efficient, high-quality connections. The RIDGID RP press tool meets this need with smart engineering and advanced features. Its 360-degree swivel head offers unmatched flexibility, while the brushless motor ensures strong performance with no scheduled maintenance. The slim, ergonomic slim grip handle allows for comfortable single-handed use. The tool presses multiple pipe types and sizes, including copper, stainless steel, carbon steel, and refrigeration tubing. With a bright 360-degree LED light ring, up to 140 presses per charge, and Bluetooth connectivity via the RIDGID Link app, it's a game changer for professionals.